Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification bell icon so that you do not miss out on any video that I post. And in today's video, I'm very excited to show you one gadget that I picked up that I believe you would love. So let's go straight into the video. So I went on Temu, alright? Yeah, Temu. Yeah, there's so many things being said out there. And I saw this, okay, this very toolbox. Now, the toolbox had so many things in it. It has these picks, about 5 of the picks there, and 2 picks over there, all openers. And then there's a section thing there to help you. You know what? You know it. Then there was a that, and all of these. So I proceeded to actually buy it, and it came through. So let's look at what we get in the box, and you let me know in the comment section whether you liked this or not. Let's go. And there we have it. So this is the toolbox that I got from the box after ordering. Let's go in. And this is how it comes. Over here we have this material. It feels like cloth, but looks like paper. And then it states or shows or indicates all the things that are inside. That's 145 pieces in one box. So yeah, basically it's the same thing on both sides. So let's jump inside here. Now, this is the complete two thingy. So I'm going to slide it this way so you can see what really we're dealing with. So here you can see several screw drivers over here, and it was spoken of that we have 16 screwdrivers. Sorry, not 16, 116 screwdrivers. 116 screwdrivers. So there they are, several bits. If we look at this, we have the triangular bits. You can see that over there. So that's the triangular one. Okay, so you see, we have them lined up at the base here. So I believe that is also triangular. It's 3-pointed. I'm just gonna take this and put it on it so you can see. All right, so see, it has 3 points over there, 3 points over there. All right, so we have those ones at the base, and there's different sizes of them. Then we have the different. These are 5. These are 5 too. We have these weird-looking ones, but well, I haven't used them before, but they have this slit in the middle, and then we have the normal ones. But here it says sockets, and the sockets are here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are the 12 sockets. This is what I got in the box. Then here we have the handle itself. But I found out something strange about the handle. There's this arrow going down. Okay, there's this arrow going down, and it's asking us to do something. So when you pull on this or you push this downwards, it gets this extension happening. All right, and that's because once you do this, you get it to extend. So the extent to which you want the extension, you pull or retract it in, and that holds it in place. So with pressure on it here, it still stays there, and I can push it forward and then extend it further. All right. So this is actually able to extend further than it looks. Then on this side, we get this extender, like an actual extender. So at this point, let's just go inside here, and then it has this that fits inside this hole, and then you can put any of these screw bits or tips here. And then as I rotate this at the base and holding this one still, we get the rotation at the tip. All right, so interesting though. So we can put this back, and then just before, it doesn't end there, underneath it we have these tweezers. Okay, so it comes also with these tweezers that allows you to pick tiny things. Okay, tiny things like that. So tiny screws and put in place. Then, sorry, I'm going to put that inside, and that one resides there. And then we have this opener, which has, let's look at the tip. Let me take this, and you can see the tip over there. Okay, so it has that tip that is able to go into those tiny spaces like there. All right, so it's able to go into tiny spaces like that, and then help you pry them open. All right, so you get 2 of those. You get 2 of those. Then you get a section, that section thing that once put on your phone, like the phone screen, when you're trying to take it off, will be able to hold onto the screen. So it's holding onto this, for example, like this. You can see like this, and exerting a lot of pressure on it, and it's still holding onto it, right? And then there's this small thing here that I believe once you pull on it, when it's adhered to the screen, you're able to pull it off. Let's try my screen. The screen, I'm able to pull on the screen, but nothing is happening. Then once I push on this, I'm able to pull it off. So that also comes in here. Okay, and resides in there. Then here is the magnetizer they spoke of. So these two holes can actually hold that. So if I bring it closer, you see how it's attracted it. It doesn't fall because those two holes are magnetizers. All right. So you're able to keep your screws over here so they don't fall away. Then we have the deep. Here we have the deep screwdrivers that were mentioned of. Right. So these ones are a bit longer. They go there and they're longer than the usual. The usual would have gone inside this way and ends here. Okay, but this one extends further. And so we have 4 of those ones over there. 4 of these over there. And then there is this area where we can open and we find more these picks that are openers over here. You have these picks and they help you to pry into spaces similar to this opener, like spaces like that. It helps you to pry inside where you're trying to open your phone or you're repairing something, your laptop, you're trying to pry inside. Now, in a later video, I'm going to be showing how I'm using these things, opening my laptop, opening devices, and showing you how to fix them and everything. All right. So this is the tool that I bought, and I believe that it is quite interesting and would serve a great purpose. And so that has brought us to the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section whether you liked it, whether you think you're going to get it. Let me know also if you think I should give this away. If you think I should, tell me in the comment section, and the one who has the most likes on their comment will be the one I'll be shipping this out to. All right, guys, thank you. If you like this, you can pick it up on the same link that I'm going to share there. Now, I'm not sharing it. I'm not doing any advertisement for any company. I just bought it with my own money, and I'm just reviewing it for you guys, just in case you need one, so you can go get it. So I'll put the link I got this one from in the description box, and try it. If you like it, say something at the bottom, and I'll see you in the next video with the next gadget or tech idea. So until later, peace out.